10. Here's the time. Kahit hindi kayo makascore, patay oras. Patay oras, patay oras. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, patay oras.
The only thing is, you couldn't get
Depensa lang, depensa.
together.
Patay oras, patay oras.
So Cheryl and I will be in one side.
Yan. Patay oras. Yan. Yan. Pasa. Pasa. Yan. Pasa. Yan. Pasa. Paso. Go. Pasa. Open, oh. Nag-forward siya. Tingnan mo sa replay. Hinabol niya yung bola. Ay, yung pads. Iniwan niya yung bahay nila. Kasi gusto niyang kunin eh.
Toronto goal is 17th of the season, second today, scored by number 92, Alex Nylander. Assist to number 77, Ryan Torberg, and number 11, Logan Shaw.
Pangalawang shoot nila yun.
1744. The body's Nylander from Torberg, Shaw, 1744.
Iniwan na niya yung bahay niya kasi hinahabol nila yung oras. Kaya iniwan nila, gusto nila makascore. Gusto nila makascore eh. Good job. Let's go! Open!
Wala na yung bantay nila.
Meron na sa gitna. Oo. Kasi wala nang oras. Kailangan nilang makascore. Pag na-steal yan, sige. Sige, bantay lang.
Bantay. Watch out. Oh my God. Over.
Don't let out. Let them go.
Last bit of the play in the third period.
Second mo lang.
Woo!
Let's go. Ayun na.
Why did I need a wish?
Panalo na.
Magaling din yung Cleveland.
Diyan sila lagi bumawi sa second at third.
Oh!
37 seconds.
Where's the goalie? Dad, where's the goalie? What? No, the goalie in the Cleveland Monsters. Oh, he's here.
panalo na.
Huwag kayong papasiguro. Yan.
Wala na, panalo na.